All right, guys. Today we are volunteering at Family Farm Days. So for us, it's a family farm days. All of us are coming down here to volunteer at Family Farm Days at Oregon Dairy. This is an event that Oregon Dairy hosts every year, and it's an opportunity to just educate the public about agriculture, about what they're doing here on the farm and agriculture in general. So I'm gonna be driving tractor, and Kaylin's gonna be driving the barrel train, and Tegan and Jaron and Jaden are gonna be tour guides on the farm tour, and Heather's gonna be helping get people on and off the wagon. She's the hostess with the mostest. She's very good at that. So we'll take you around a little bit, show you what's going on at Family Farm Days.
Driving the barrel train. I'm excited. Though she did tell me that a kid fell out once. So hopefully I don't lose any kids.
Alright, so we just took our first load. We're driving a brand new Fendt 724 Vario. It's not very often that we get to drive a Fendt, but at Oregon Dairy Days I do. Last year we did, and this year we did, so that's kind of fun. Otherwise, it's going good. Doing the loop. So we got the AC pumping in here, and it was a little hot up it because I got the back window open so I can hear them. So I'm anxious to see how the kids are doing being tour guides. Oh, here comes Jaron, I see him.
Here comes Jaron. Just unloaded his tractor, he's gonna fill back up. Hey tour guide, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Are you getting tired of saying the same thing? No? You getting parched?
What?
Are you getting parched? No.
Our dairy farmers do with the help of our veterinarians and dietitians to prepare top quality food for our community dairy cows.
Are you having fun?
Is it fun? Yeah?
Welcome to Family Farm Days, guys. While we're on the wagon, please stay seated and keep your arms inside the wagon at all times. My name is Stevie, and I will be your tour guide for today. Earl and Mary parents bought the farm in the early 50s. In the mid-70s, they bought a small store in partnership with their son, George. The store was located on a cement pad to our left in the parking lot. They sold milk and meat from the farm. Over the years, the family business has grown, and the Hurst family still owns and manages the store. And the building on the left is the feed room, where the food for the cows is mixed. We work with the cow nutritionists or dietitians. Just like you and I need to eat a balanced diet to be healthy. Cows need the same level of care. All of the ingredients are measured in that big red wagon and mixed together so that every bite the cow eats is perfectly balanced. Cows have the unique ability to convert food edible to human into highly nutritious dairy products. On our right, up on the porch, you can see the window to the nursery toilet. The cows are milked 2 times a day, once at 5 a.m. and once at 4 p.m. As we enter the barn, look around you at all the comforts provided to the cows. They sleep in stalls that have a rubber-filled mattress covered with recycled, dried, manure solid chocolate shavings. The fans and sprinklers help keep the cows warm. The manure produced by the cows in the freestall barn flows underground to the buildings outside. Each cow produces 20 gallons of manure daily. Oregon Dairy Farm is generating their own electricity from the cow's manure, something they have been doing for over 35 years. As the ride ends, please stay seated until we come to a complete stop. Enter through the information tent to go to the tents and activities. The schedule of events for today is posted in the information tent. And for today only, be sure to visit all the exhibitors featuring all Pennsylvania-made products. Enjoy Family Farm Days.
Say Mitch gets the the big trailer.
Thanks for coming today. Yeah, come. You beat the heat. This was a good time to come.
This is the one guy at
Is it dinner time?
yeah, it is. I got the
Mitch, you have my stuff, you said? You have my stuff?
Got our meals.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner?
What?
I said winner, winner, chicken dinner, but not everybody got chicken. Is this supposed to be spicy?
I got
You got
it's
tenders.
chicken.
You got, I know. Actually, did everybody get chicken? Did you get chicken?
I got a
Or
burger.
hamburger.
You got tenders.
Cheese and
Yeah, I got
burger.
tenders too.
How'd it go loading wagons?
Good.
There's some blank crowds. You'd ask them a question like, "Oh, did you enjoy it?" And then nobody would say. There's sometimes.
Did you guys all like it? Tegan? I mean, Kaylin? You're not Tegan. Kaylin?
What?
Driving tractor for the barrel carts this time. Fun?
Yeah, it was fun. It was slow though, cause he said to go between 2 and 3 miles per hour.
Well, right. You don't want to go crazy. Send the kids flying.
I was worried a kid would start crying because that speaker kept ringing. I don't
The
know
what?
why, but it was like all of a sudden like so. No, I wasn't
feedback?
had it all. His
Oh, your
microphone
microphone
got
feedback.
farther. So I was afraid somebody was gonna start crying.
But
like
they
a little
didn't.
kid. And that, yeah. And
I saw a lot of little kids getting off the trailer with this like ice cream all over their face and their legs. It looked so sticky, but
There was this one
they
little
were
boy.
loving life.
There's one of those people that just has their new sticker on their
I'm gonna get ice cream.
like, should I stop and say like, hey, you can't do that? Ice cream time.
What did you say when you went to take over the tractor driving for the barrel carts?
Okay.
What did the guy say?
The what?
No, when you went.
Oh. I like went to switch with him and he was like, you're the one, like, you're driving. Like, you're the new driver. And I was like, yeah.
That's what he probably wasn't expecting a 16-year-old girl to take over. Oh, but what was...
Oh, I was gonna say, I would tell the kids before we started each ride that they shouldn't touch the tires because that's dangerous. And they would still touch them. And it would annoy me.
And some parents would say, welcome to our world. We're teachers.
One kid, I just make eye contact with him and just shook my head.
Wait, what size is that?
That's small.
That's a small?
Well, that's for 2 scoops.
Oh, so it's not a small. A small would be single. But that looks like it's like at least 4 scoops. You better start licking, girlfriend.
These are really deep scoops.
That looks like good chocolate.
Yeah.
It's like it's not dark chocolate, but it looks yum. What were these called? Tractor
Tires, some
They look yum.
They're huge.
It's my boat.
Yeah, looks like a little boat.
But I got double boats, so that's
chocolate ice
also
cream?
better. Mine has a double hull.
Is it chocolate ice cream or
I think
vanilla?
so.
Holy hit on
That is. Are you guys gonna eat all that? That was very fitting for Family
Heaven
Farm
and a
Days, a Tractor Sunday. What is it?
It's a Java caramel.
Oh, is it good?
It's coffee ice cream with caramel and something else. It's good.
With the big pumper straw.
Looks like a boba straw.
Hey, you're doing a good job on yours.
So if this would be caramel in here then.
I think so. But there's a difference between caramel and caramel. Caramel is when it's like liquidated, and then caramel is when it's like hard, like in a candy.
I told you that.
No, I told you that.
So, is that truth? Or is that something that you girls just say? Are you gonna Google it? But how are you gonna say the difference? They're not spelled different.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, they are?
What? No, they're not.
Like caramel and caramel, or what?
Caramel and caramel. Caramel is a common noun referring to a sweet treat or color, while caramel is a proper noun that references one of 2 geographical locations.
Like Mount Carmel.
I have no
So
idea.
then what you're telling us is
I'm not
false.
telling lies. I'm not telling lies.
See, now she's not.
Well, I think Jaden is actually beating Jaren. That,
Maybe it's only half of this, but yeah, I just ate half of this.
usually Jaren is the fastest eater.
No.
Oh, it's even got sprinkles on there.
Jaden still has 2 cookies.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey, we looked up candy.
Werther's original, not Weathers.
Oh, that's what I meant.
See? And that's,
Caramel.
and then, okay, put in
whoa.
caramel and see if it liquidizes it. Gave you the same picture?
Yeah.
Hey, I told you, it's the same. It's just.
Caramel.
That's one good.
Yeah, but look.
Yeah, but look,
What
there's
about
the candies
look
right
at the
beside
candies,
it.
the chewies.
Look at the first thing.
I know, but they also showed a picture of the square
Google
chewy
is
candy.
never always right.
But Kaylin always is.
Oh, did you see the first? Look at the first picture. Look at the first picture.
Liquid, I see.
My friend.
what
And I've
Kaylin
told
is
lots of
saying
people
is
that, so hopefully that's right.
No, I think it's right. Because,
Hey, if you say it with enough confidence, people believe you.
hey, look,
Right?
I wrote caramel.
Do you think people should comment if they think the caramel and caramel?
I don't know
Or
how we're
whatever.
gonna know, because when people write it, we won't know the difference. When they type it out.
When you spell caramel, say C-A-R-M-E-L-E.
Caramel?
No, E-L, that's what I meant. And then when you spell caramel, say C-A-R-M-E-L.
Right. Just, yeah, you could comment it's the same, or you can comment it's different. Yeah. We'll see if anybody will even comment.
We're about to go down the slide, y'all. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Yay! Okay, never mind. Oh wait, I'm not going.
It just keeps going. It goes forever. It feels like it just keeps going.
Maybe a little dizzy.
I'm too big for these things.
All right, there we have it. Family Farm Days at Oregon Dairy. By the time you guys see this video, you will have missed it, but you have to come check it out next year. Lots of great food and ice cream and education about Lancaster County agriculture. So
It's always 3 days in June.
yeah. So next year you can come check it out.
I told Mitch that it's kind of a weird thing when I would bring our kids here when they were little for something fun to do, even though they could see cows and things like that, but they still always love coming. And I'm like, now our kids are helping to make the event happen. It's kinda
Growing up.
crazy, but it's a good thing too.
Yep.
It's awesome.
All right. See you next time, guys.